everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video, we're going to walk you through the ChatGPT app, what it is and how to use it. Let's get started. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI. It's powered by advanced language models that allow it to answer questions, write emails, create stories, solve math, assist with coding, and so much more, all through simple conversation. Now, to start using ChatGPT, first you have to go to your app store and download your app if you haven't. So go to the app store, then tap on your search bar at the top of your page, search ChatGPT. Then after this icon pops up, tap on that, and then you'll have the install button. So tap on install and then open up your app. Once you've opened up your app, sign in or create a free OpenAI account using email, Apple or Google. Then you land on the chat interface. Tap the text bar at the bottom to type your question or prompt. So at the bottom of your page here, you can see the ask anything option. So tap on that and then you can ask your question. You can ask anything. You can also use voice input. At the bottom, you can see microphone icon. So tap on that to speak instead of typing. To explore tools, you can try file uploads, image generation, and advanced reasoning with GPT-4. Then tap the menu icon at the top of the page at the left to revisit or rename your previous conversations. So here at the top you can see the menu icon. You can tap on that to revisit or rename your previous conversations. Now some tips to use ChatGPT is to be clear and specific with your questions. You can give it roles like act as a teacher or act as a travel planner. Then you can also copy, share or continue responses. Then tap explore GPT's try community created tools like AI tutors, chefs and coding bots. And that is all about ChatGPT app. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if it is and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.